When it comes to selecting project management software for mid-sized agencies, two platforms often come up: Monday.com and Wrike. Both offer robust tools designed to streamline workflows, enhance team collaboration, and ensure projects are completed on time. However, they cater to different needs and preferences, making it essential to understand their unique offerings to determine which aligns best with your agency's requirements. Monday.com is known for its visual boards and flexibility. You can build workflows that fit your agency's process, from marketing campaigns to client deliverables. The layout is colorful and easy to understand, which helps new team members get comfortable quickly. Automations reduce repetitive work, and templates speed up setup time. It is ideal for agencies that value creativity and adaptability, where projects can change direction quickly but still need to stay on schedule. Wrike is a comprehensive project management and collaboration platform designed for teams of all sizes. It offers advanced features such as Gantt charts, time tracking, and workload management, allowing agencies to plan, track, and manage projects efficiently. Wrike's customizable dashboards provide real-time insights into project progress, helping teams stay aligned and meet deadlines. The platform supports integrations with various tools, facilitating seamless workflows across different departments. Wrike's robust reporting and analytics capabilities make it suitable for agencies that require detailed insights into project performance and resource allocation. Choosing between Monday.com and Wrike depends on your agency's specific needs. If your team values a highly customizable and visually intuitive platform with a focus on flexibility, Monday.com may be the better choice. However, if your agency requires advanced project management features, detailed reporting, and a more structured approach to workflow management, Wrike could be more suitable. Assessing your agency size, project complexity, and preferred working style will guide you toward the platform that best aligns with your objectives.